Hello, come back with me again, Miss Renata, and now you'll learn about power rule in integration. We already know what is the definition of integral. If f prime x equals to fx, so integral fx dx equals to fx plus c. And our general rule is if we find the integral of x to the power of n dx, it will equals to x to the power of n plus 1 and all divided by n plus 1 plus c. But remember that n not equals to negative 1. And we have another rule or we call it theorem that we use in integral. So if we have integral k multiplied by fx dx, it will be equals to k multiplied by integral fx dx. And another, we have the sum and subtracts rule in integration. So if you want to find the integral of fx plus gx dx, it will equals when we separate all the function fx and gx. Problem number 1. Here we have what is the integral of 2x plus 7 dx. Yeah, using the sum rule, we can separate this term, so we can rewrite the problem equals to integral 2x dx plus integral 7 dx. And you can also separate coefficient, so 2 in front of the symbol integral, 2 multiplied by integral x dx, and then we have 7 integral x to the power of 0 dx, because we know 1 is equal to x to the power of 0. Now we can use the power rule, just adding the exponent with 1 and write in the denominator. So yeah, 1 add by 1, we got 2, write down in the denominator. Same with this power, adding by 1, so we got x to the power of 1 and divided by 1 plus c. Okay, we can rewrite the final answer in the simplest expression. So we have, yeah, this because we know 2 can cancel out with 2, and then 7 we can cancel out with 1 also. So we can write fx equals to x squared plus 7x plus c. Yeah, this is our original function. If you still not sure about your answer, just check it again. How if your original function, it means x squared plus 7x plus c, differentiated, if you differentiate it respect to x. So we get, yeah, 2x plus 7. Same with our problem. Okay, next question we have, what is the integral of 4x cubed plus x squared minus 3x plus 9 dx? Okay, same with the previous problem. We have to use sum rule or constant rule. So we can rewrite this expression to be like this: 4 multiplied by integral of x cubed dx plus integral of x squared, minus 3 multiplied by integral x dx plus 9 integral dx. So now just use power rule, adding the co-exponent with 1 and then write in the denominator. So we have 4 multiplied by x4 divided by 4, and then x cubed divided by 3, and then 3 multiplied by x squared divided by 2, and then we have 9x. And then if we can still simplify the answer, so we have x to the power of 4, 1 over 3 x cubed, and minus 3 over 2 x squared plus 9x plus c. Okay, this is our final answer. Done and done. Okay, in the next problem, we have the integral of this function. So before we do the integration, make sure our expression, our function, already in the sum or difference operational. So we need to do the manipulation to change this expression to be a sum or subtract function. Okay, so because we know that 1 over a to the power of n equals to a to the power of negative n, we can also write this expression to be integral of n to the power of negative 3, and then subtract by integral 3 multiplied by integral n to the power of negative 2, and all respect to n. Okay, remember, if the variable and then same with respect to n, we can do the power rule. So just adding the exponent with 1 and then write in the denominator. Just adding the exponent with 1 and then write in the denominator. So we have, because negative 3 plus 1 we get negative 2, right in the denominator we have negative 1 half n to the power of negative 2, and then negative 3, because negative 2 plus 1 we have negative 1, so divided by negative 1, we have negative 1, and just simplify your expression. So we have negative 1 half n to the power of negative 2, negative 3 divided by negative 1, we got plus 3 and negative 1 to the power of negative 1 plus c. Done and done. This is our final answer. But make sure to read the question. If the question asks you to change the negative exponent to positive exponent, just use this rule again. Okay, the next question, what is the integral of 3x minus 2 multiplied by 4x plus 1 dx? Yeah, same like the previous question. We only have sum and difference rule in integration. That's why in this expression we have to change and manipulate to be sum or difference expression. So we can use distribution or expand the bracket here. So we have integral 12x squared plus 3x minus 8x minus 2 dx, and then we find the correct terms. We can simplify our expression. So we have 12x squared minus 5x minus 2 dx. Now we can use power rule. I will not write the complete process, so we just adding the exponent with 1 and rewrite in the denominator. I hope you can understand, yeah. So we have x squared plus 1, we have x cubed divided by 3, and then 5 multiplied by x2 divided by 2, and then we have 2x plus c. Yeah, just simply use your answer. So we have fx equals to 4x cubed minus 5 over 2x squared minus 2x plus c. Yeah, thank you. Okay, in this question, we have what is the integral of 2x squared minus x plus 3 all divided by square root x dx. So remember, when we divided 1 with a to the power of n, it will be equals to a to the power of negative n. It will be same when we divided 1 with square root x. We know square root x is equals to x to the power of 1 half. So it will be equals to x to the power of negative 1 half. And so this expression we can rewrite as integral 2x squared minus x plus 3, and we multiplied by x to the power of negative 1 half, and all respect to x. Now just simplify your expression. So we have integral 2x 3 over 2, x 1 half, and 3 negative 1 half. So now we can use power rule. just adding the exponent with 1 and write down in the denominator. So we have 2 multiplied by x, 3 over 2 plus 1, we got 5 over 2. And 1 divided by 5 over 2 is equals to 2 over 5. And a half plus 1, we have 3 over 2. Yeah, and sorry, I forget to write the variable. So 1 half negative plus 1, we have 1 half. And because 1 divided 1 half, we got 2, right? Don't forget we have plus c and simplify your final answer. So we have 4 to the power of 5 x negative plus 3 over 2, sorry, 3 over 2, and then plus 6x 1 half plus c. Yep, done and done everyone. This is our final answer for the question number 4. Okay, in the next problem, we have what is the integral of this expression? Okay, because our question already in the sum operation, we just use power rule. So we just adding the exponent with 1 and write down in the denominator. So our answer is equals to 2 multiplied by 5 divided by 4 and plus 1, we got, yeah, 9 over 4. And then because 1 divided by 9 over 4, it will be equals to 4 over 9. Okay, in the second term, we have 9 multiplied by 1 over 4 plus 1, we get 5 over 4. So it will be equals to 9 multiplied 6, sorry, 6 multiplied by 4 over 5. And then in the last term, we get negative 4 plus 1, we get negative 3 and divided by negative 3 plus c. And then if we still can simplify our expression, just write it. So we have okay, 24 divided by 5, x to the power of 5 over 4, and then negative x to the power of negative 3 plus c. Yeah, this is our final answer. So this is the primitive or original function for the problem number 5. Thank you, and done everyone.